How to get your Telegram profile link. First thing you have to do is simply open up your Telegram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then you just have to tap on the three lines at the top left. Once you get here, you'll find the settings menu right below saved messages. So tap on the gear icon to land on settings page. And once you have landed on your settings page, you can just go ahead and tap on the QR icon on the top right beside the search icon. And once you tap on this QR page, what you have to do is select what kind of QR you want. This will only be valid for 5 minutes. So make sure you share this quickly, and the person that is trying to scan it will do it in that given time period. So click on share QR. Now from here you can select any chat where you want to share the QR. So I'm going to share it on this group right here. I'm just going to tap on send. And as you guys can see, the QR has been shared, and once they scan the QR code, they will be redirected to my profile. So that's how you get the profile link on Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.